Hi everyone, this is the Daily Weather Hazard Briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Thursday, January 4th. We've got snow showers on and off throughout the day today for a good portion of the area. Even early this morning here at the airport, we've picked up about 1/10 of an inch of snow. And again, we'll continue to see those snow showers on and off as we go throughout the rest of the day. And really, we're kind of getting our active weather pattern started today, and that's going to continue really through the weekend and probably through most of next week. So we do have light snow and a little bit of some of that patchy dense fog out there early this morning. That'll continue throughout the day today. Gonna keep an eye on snowfall amounts. They've been trending higher for parts mainly of the Snake Plain, lower Snake Plain tomorrow on Friday. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. And more snow is expected through this weekend, especially as we kind of get into that late Saturday night through Sunday time frame. Again, we're still forecasting snow, so lots of uncertainty involved, but this pattern change is a welcome one for the winter enthusiasts, that is for sure. Here's a look at satellite early this morning. You can see some of that moisture. Again, most of it right now is moving through eastern Idaho. Look a little bit farther back to the west, and there you can see more of that, more dense freezing fog farther out west you go, even over towards Boise and Twin Falls and out that way. For us on the eastern side of things, we do have some of that patchy dense fog, but we're also dealing with some of that light snow early this morning. And that's kind of the name of the game for our weather risk outlook grid. Here you can see a lot of snow showing up on there. Overall, fairly minor impacts. At least that's what we're expecting right now. Again, we're going to kind of keep an eye on tomorrow, see how things evolve throughout the day today. And then Saturday, mainly some of the higher elevations will continue to get some snow, but Saturday's a little bit of a break for those of us down here in the valleys before kind of that maybe more robust round of some snow moves through then very late Saturday through Sunday. And then we kind of get into Monday, and that's, again, a little bit of a break from some of the active weather, but it's a short break. Then late Monday into Tuesday, we've got another system coming through, and so we just kind of get one round in, short break, another round in, short break, another round in. That's the pattern that we are getting into now. Our high temperatures for today, most of us won't be particularly warm. In fact, most of us will see highs topping out probably right around freezing. So really not a whole lot of movement in our temperatures throughout the day today. As we get into this afternoon and this evening, we are going to start to see our winds picking up a little bit more through parts of the eastern Magic Valley. Some gusts up to about 20-25 miles per hour. As we get into Friday morning, a lot of us in the teens and 20s once again. But then as we kind of get into the afternoon, basically a repeat of today. Although we will drop a couple of degrees. That's kind of our trend for the next several days, actually. Our highs just kind of slowly dropping 2 or 3 degrees each afternoon. By the time we get to Monday, that's looking like probably the coldest day of the next 7 or so. And then we kind of get into Tuesday and we slowly start to warm things back up again. Winds will pick up a little bit more across the entire area on Friday, with most of us seeing wind gusts 15-20 miles per hour. Some of those higher elevations, again, probably closer to about 35, 40, 45 miles per hour up on some of our mountains. But of course, Magic Valley, our typical windier spot, seeing some of the gusts there even around 35 miles per hour or so. So as we look at our snowfall amounts for today, overall, not looking at a ton. Most of us probably about a half an inch to an inch. But then looking at the total 48 hours from now, early this morning here on Thursday, all the way through Thursday, and then all the way through Friday. Friday looking to be maybe potentially a little bit more robust for some of our snowfall, again, in some of the lower Snake Plain here, with on Friday itself, maybe 3 to potentially 4 inches of snow in some spots between American Falls, Rockland, even towards Pocatello here. So again, keep in mind these numbers that you're seeing are for basically 48 hours, but most of this will be falling throughout the day on Friday. So we'll be keeping an eye on this to kind of see how some of the models trend as we get into today. Again, currently the trend has been increasing on these snow totals to get us to where we're at now, but we'll see what the latest update brings and how that shakes out. As we get into the weekend, on Saturday, again, that continues our trend of just dropping a couple degrees each afternoon, with highs for most of us pushing 30 degrees or so. You get into the Magic Valley, and then you're closer to about 34, 35 for an afternoon high. But of course, head up north towards the Island Park area. We're looking at temperatures closer to 20, maybe 25 degrees for those afternoon highs. And there you see them drop just, another degree or two for most of us as we get into Sunday afternoon, where most of us will probably not even hit 30 for the high on Sunday there. So again, we've got light snow and some patchy dense fog out there early this morning. Our snowfall amounts have been trending a little bit higher, especially for the lower Snake Plain on Friday. We'll kind of be watching to see if we get a band of some heavier snow to form, but we'll keep an eye on that throughout the day today as more model data comes in. More snow is expected through the weekend and into next week. Kind of our next more impressive round after Friday will come late Saturday into Sunday. Again, this is certainly a welcome pattern change for those who have been waiting for more snow and maybe some colder temps. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always find us on social media. It's a great way to get a hold of us or interact with us. But of course, you can find our latest weather information online too, or give us a phone call or send us an email. Have a great day.